Hey, okay, we have big news this week. It's not great news, but it came from the Chicago Tribune. It's about forever chemicals. And Michael Hawthorne, who's an amazing writer for the Chicago Tribune, talks about how Chicagoland, of the 7 million people in the northern Illinois area, 5 million of us are drinking water that has forever chemicals in it. Now, why is this so concerning? We don't like to be scare tactics with people, but it's finally come out that the federal government does recognize that there's no level, zero, no level that's good for the human body. And why? Because it causes cancer. It's a variety of cancers. Read the article, you're going to be able to see why. From kidney cancer or kidney disease to a whole bunch of other things, this is a concern for all of us. If you find that it's a concern, my recommendation to you is to find a NSF, that's National Sanitation Foundation, 58 listed reverse osmosis system. At Angel, that's all we like to sell. We sell all makes and models, but that is going to be the type of water filter system that is certified to take out a forever chemical. Forever chemicals were manufactured by 3M and DuPont. They made amazing products like Teflon, and 3M did coatings on carpet to prevent staining, but these things get in the environment and they don't break down. So because of that, if they get into our water system, and then you and I are drinking that water. So if this is something that you want to prevent for you and your family, if you'd like to be able to make sure that you get those carcinogens out of your water, give us a call at 847-382-7800, or make sure that you get a NSF 58 listed reverse osmosis system. You can also visit us on the web at angelwater.com, and we appreciate your time.